Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to go on a beautiful hiking adventure out in the Half Moon Bay Hills, which is right along the Pacific Coast Highway and the Pacific Ocean. Since this pandemic started, I've actually taken a huge, step towards trying to hike everywhere I can in the Northern California Bay Area. And I've been to a lot of places around the East Bay and in the South Bay. I've been out into the mountains and done some stuff out there, and I haven't recorded anything. So, you know, there's some beautiful country out here, some beautiful land, and I figure, you know what? Let me take you along with me on those adventures and show you guys what I'm seeing, because, you know, a couple pictures here and there on Instagram, it's not doing justice. So we're gonna go out today and we're gonna enjoy a beautiful drive across the San Mateo Bridge. You're gonna get to see the bay. We're gonna go through the mountains to get over to the Pacific Ocean, and then a beautiful 4-mile hike up in the Half Moon Bay Hills. So let's go. And we made it to Quarry Park in Half Moon Bay, California. Looks like we won't be flying the drone today. Okay, let's start this 4-mile hike. I'm not sure if you can hear that out there, but it's the sounds of the Pacific Ocean right through those trees. Okay, so it's a 4.1 mile loop, so we're gonna go walk this. It looks really pretty so far. You just seen right there, but yeah, it should be a nice walk. I'm already trying to catch my breath. It's a little uphill so far, and we're gonna climb, I think, 1,300 feet in elevation. I think we're gonna climb from sea level, so we're just gonna keep going up. Yeah, these times of COVID, gotta have, you know, something available when people walk by you. So I usually wear this. I usually wear a mask all the time, but I wear this. I can pull it up and down when we're walking by people, so makes it nice and easy. Good thing is there's not a lot of people out today. So I saw one person walk by me just now, another couple with their kids down at some bench, and then there's only one person ahead of me. And yeah, we just keep climbing up. There's little fire roads here that are pretty cool looking. I don't know, it'd be interesting to take those sometime, I think. Check that out. So we got rain coming up here in California soon, and I noticed the park rangers dug out these trenches here all the way up and down some of the steeper hills. So there's like 2 more down along the way. That way, when the rain comes, this doesn't become a giant mudslide. So that's pretty thoughtful of them. Catch the water, go off to the side. Pretty cool. There's a ranger station up here at the top of the peak. That's really cool. I think we're at the top. Well, we're pretty close to the top, but it's really nice. Beautiful. All right, so here's that service road, and then here's a little trail off to the side. I think they go to the same spot, so let's go off-road. Let's take this little guy, see what this is all about. That looks way too easy. This looks funner. Beautiful day out here today. Lots of birds flying around, and I think I'm at the top. We've go ahead and let's see. We've went 811 feet of elevation, 1.69 miles, and I think I'm at the top because I don't really have much more else to go up to unless you want to go up in those mountains. But just keep climbing. This looks pretty, right? So right out there is a Pillar Point. That's also where, I don't know if you've ever heard of Mavericks surfing area. That's a Maverick surfing competition. It's the largest waves in, I guess, North America. And they do a competition there like twice a year when the tides are right and everything. But it's right out there, but like I said, the haze, just can't see it. Okay, we're making our descent downhill, but check this out. There's a little area here, like actually the whole thing has kind of little carved out tracks for mountain biking. This is a really cool corner right here. Look at that. Go right off the edge and over this jumpy jump. Super fun. And it keeps going over there. Look at that. This side. More tracks. This is really cool. Look at that. That looks fun. This track just goes all the way downhill. That is super cool. Look at that. Okay, so we came from up there, and it goes this way. Or it goes this way. I'm lost. I don't know which way to go. That looks very hilly and down a lot. So I'm gonna go this way just in case it's the wrong way. And I mean, they both got to go to the bottom of the hill eventually, right? So I'm gonna try this way, because if I go the other way and it's the wrong way, I do not want to have to climb all the way back up that hill. And we're almost back down. Much easier coming back down. There was one hill to go up, but check out this cool bench. Watch a sunset at. Really nice. You look right down in there, and there's the Pacific Coast Highway and the Pacific Ocean right there. pretty nice. Now we do got that bright sun and that haze out there, so the sky is really white right now, even in person, not just on camera, but in person, white. No blue skies at all along the coast. Okay, that was a great hike actually. It was really pretty, a little strenuous. I'm pretty avid at hiking now though, ever since the pandemic, so I have a pretty quick tempo. We just did, come on, come back, there we go. We just did 4.32 miles, gained 1,116 feet of elevation in an hour and 40 minutes, and burned 649 calories, so nice walk. All right, since we're here, I figured let's come check out some of the surfers, but we gotta play Frogger across the Pacific Coast Highway right now, which is not gonna be fun, because the cars just keep coming. Oh, I totally could have made it right there. I blew that car turned, messed up the flow. All right, we'll put it over here, and I think there's a good spot as long as this car just keeps going. Get across. That was fun. That was easy, actually. Beautiful. Look at the water. It was right up here, right up to the rocks. What a horizon. Absolutely phenomenal. Right out there where that point is, that's Pillar Point, and Maverick Surfing is out there. We got a whole dock area over here, which I'll show you right now, but look how beautiful this is, guys. Unbelievable. Perfect day out here. Gorgeous sight. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful. All right, so with that, we're gonna call this a day. Nice, beautiful hike in the mountain. Beautiful little 20-minute stint right here on the beach, just kind of watching the surfers try to surf. Not actually catch any waves right now, but I guess the tide's coming in, so they'll probably be able to catch them soon. But beautiful day, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and Frogger this street back to the car, and we'll do another adventure soon.